Come on.
Let me go! My dad wanna hear me sing!
I'm sure the good students of the school have better taste.
What do you know?
Uh-oh.
Something must be wrong with this equipment! My measurements were perfect!
What's with all this smoke? What are you doing in here?
Nothing. Just a little experiment.
Oh, good. There's Miss Carruthers. Honey, ask her. She'll know. Do you know where the quintuplets are?
What are you talking about? We thought they were supposed to be with you.
Well, they were. At least I thought they were. I just turned around.
Oh, good. A fire extinguisher. Here goes.